How to overhaul the brake master cylinder. This one's been on the bike for quite some time, all connected up, sitting in the garden for about 5 or 6 years. So I've got to see if I can strip it down, clean it up, replace whatever's necessary in order to make it into a usable, working product. Here are the contents of the master cylinder. Everything is removed, shown in the order that it came off. All fairly straightforward. You've got to do now is you've got to clean every single little piece up, especially the inside of the bore of the master cylinder itself. Then obviously replace the seals, and maybe even the piston. Might come as a kit with the piston, and then rebuild everything back exactly as it should be, and hopefully we end up with an as new brake master cylinder. Every single bit has been meticulously cleaned, blown out, inspected and replaced, so that now it's ready to be painted and then rebuilt, adjusted, put on the bike, bled. Edge primer first. New seal kit, immersed in fluid. That's going to stay in fluid until I rebuild it, to make sure that it's wet. Now that the body is all painted, looking immaculate and in perfect condition, the inside is absolutely superb. So now what we do now is we arrange for the new seals and piston to fit in. So rather than me showing you me doing it, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You arrange everything in that way. The seal, the spring and everything ready. You push that into the hole in the cylinder. The spring will want to push it out. Where that bit there goes, you put that bit into the end of it. You push that in and hold it in, and then you fit that so that that goes in the end of the cylinder, and then that holds that in, and then that keeps everything captive. That's the first stage. So I'm going to do that, then I'll tell you the next bit. That's now achieved. So now the next thing is you guide this down the shaft, and there's a little nick in the shaft that the end of this rubber seats in. So you push that in, then you put that plate down there and that nut, and then you tighten it up. That's the next stage. So there you go. That is now fitted, bolted up, done. So now you screw that on. No, sorry. So now you put that spring on, then you screw this plate on. That part of the lever part, you must touch the adjuster. So that part, the flat bit on the other side, is for the spring and the lock nut. There it is, fully assembled, and now you can adjust with that the position of the lever. So if you want the lever further away from the handlebar or closer, that is the adjuster. So the next thing to fit is the brake light switch. That literally just bolts on there and is activated by the lever moving to and fro. Adjust that so that that's position. There you go. You can see that the little lever is against the plate, so when that moves in, activates the switch. So one other thing, this little strip goes in there like thus. Notice the little tiny hole has to be in line with the hole that's in the bottom of the cylinder, and pretty much it's ready to be fitted to the bike. And of course, once it's fitted, bled up, and then you should have a full working front brake master cylinder. There it is, fitted, bled, working.